I'm going to share how I'm going to use my cordless handheld vacuum. So this is instructions. It's nothing difficult. It's super easy to assemble those little parts. So I'm super excited with this because it has the lights and it's super powered to clean. And what I'm going to use, I'm turning my lights on. I really love this because I can clean my little spaces like this. I'm going to use my car cleaning too and my office. So I'm super excited. After you finish, just keep like that and enjoy cleaning.
Okay, so right now I am charging it, but what I also really like is if you take this button, this part goes up and you get even more suction capability. So this has been a wonderful addition to the family of 3 pets.